How to withdraw from Coins.ph via M-Lhuillier. I got this free money from Uniswap. They have created their own Unicoin and give out free 400 Unicoin to all users that have used or have the transactions from their decentralized exchange before September 1, 2020. Just a short information about Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized protocol for automated liquidity provision on Ethereum in which you can trade or buy and sell from one coin to another. Mostly new created coins are listed there. To withdraw your money from Coins.ph via M-Lhuillier, open your Coins.ph account. Once logged in, click on Cash Out button. Then click on M-Lhuillier Cash Pickup from the option. From here, type the exact amount that you would like to withdraw. Then click on the Next button. Then fill out the needed information here. Your first and last name, address and phone number. Always double-check the information that you have provided. Then click on the Next button. Then slide the button in order to confirm your withdrawal request. From here, you can either choose to receive the code via email or text message. I preferred to receive it via text message, so I have clicked on Send Code via SMS. The code will then be sent to the phone number associated with your Coins.ph account. Copy the code and enter it back here. Then click on the Submit button.
$2,000 years later.
Just a few minutes and it is already available for pickup. Just visit any MLhuillier branch available in your area. You'll just need to fill out the form with the tracking number and that's it.
A few moments later.
Here, I went to MLhuillier and have successfully claimed my money.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.